the sun sleeps late and pulls himself a shot of tequila.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. A place called Pleasure Island.
All right, here we go, people. The Grill Jamaica. Started the booze cruise. Oh, yeah. Check.
Take a hot ride.
Wait till the end.
Pleasure Island, island of pleasure. No need to stop and think. Pleasure Island, a beautiful treasure. Come on down and have a drink. The place was discovered by a Randy Rum Runner back in the 18th century. Knew he'd scored when his skiff washed ashore, and a monkey served him a frozen daiquiri. Nothing has changed, the birds still get high. Lovely ladies swing on the palm trees.
All right, people. That was after the first snorkel. Now we're going to pull up to a cave, and we're going to get a bang-ass snorkel. But this is the west end up on the rocks.
Pleasure Island, island of pleasure. No need to stop and think. Pleasure Island.
So here we are entering the Pirate's Cave. I got salt water in my eyeball. The Grill Jamaica.
Tropical dream. Smearing coconut cream. The breeze is so tame.
Jamaica.
You'll forget your own name. Pleasure Island, island of pleasure. No need to stop and think. Pleasure Island, fun is the master. I said, come on down and have a drink. Pleasure Island, island of pleasure. No need to stop.
That's it. Signing off for the day. See you tomorrow,
Don't
people.
be loco. It'll grab you by your cocos.